Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best inflatable animal bouncers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Gymnic Rody horse ride on inflatable toy, Arte Swirl. Let your kids bounce and hop and have better balance and coordination while having great exercises. This inflatable toy is durable and also safe for your kids. It is phthalate, latex and BPA free, that is flexible and soft. It has one valve and a plug with sheen and can be used for a long time. One can use a hand air pump to infiltrate depending on the age of the child. The good thing about it is that it can be cleaned easily with water and soap. It's always advisable to have the kids under supervision when using this animal bouncer. Moving on at number 4, we have the WaliKi Toys Bouncy Horse, Blue. Children and toddlers will love this colorful designed bouncy horse and they will quickly know how to bounce at the same time developing coordination and balance. The horse is created with durable, thick and stable but lightweight and soft materials. Schools and therapists use this hopping horse to help children movement and creativity. Parents will enjoy the convenient hand pump that comes with this item. It will keep your kids entertained and happy with this inflatable horse. This super Benny hopper contains 2 ways for kids to grip on, the ears and the horns. It looks perfect in any playroom. At number 3, we have the Flashsale, inflatable horse bouncer, pink. This is one of the beautiful inflatable bouncers that you can give to your child as a birthday gift. It is made with environmentally safe, high-quality and non-smell materials. Your child will have more fun and have more hours bouncing and riding on this bouncer. It will assist your child to develop coordination and movement skills and have more fun. Its surfaces are made with a soft and beautiful outlook that will look perfect in any playroom. The box comes with manual instructions that will help you to set up the bouncing horse. Let your children have fun with this Flashsale horse bouncer. At number 2, we have the SueSport horse hopper kit. This SueSport horse hopper has kids' favored playmate. The hopper key will keep your children active and have more fun for long hours. This product is created with phthalate-free PVC and also EU-approved BPA-free. It is approved by safety standards and hence they are safe to play with. It will assist your little ones to balance and have more coordination when they are riding the horse. Your kids will have a lot of fun and they will enjoy healthy movement. You can use a regular pump to infiltrate this hopper kit. The length of this hopper kit is 23 inches from tail to nose and has a height of 20 inches from floor to ear. And finally at number 1, we have the iLearn Deals Pink Hopping Horse. iPlay, the iLearn company has made this hopping horse with handles that are soft in order for your kid to hold onto it more comfortable and bounce around. It also comes with a hand pump that will help you to infiltrate this product within 5 minutes. The item is designed with a wide base that will guarantee your children and toddlers will maintain the balance and they will not fall. It's lightweight and it is simple to carry. The product is made fully washable in order to maintain the hygienic when your child is playing. It's made of materials that are long-lasting and your child can hop and bounce for long hours. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.